The next step in your business building process is to get a handle on taxes or to understand the taxes. Honestly, there's no way I could address taxes in full on a training such as this, but you do want to talk to your CPA. You do want to check on your state online web sources that are available for you to help you understand better what your responsibilities are. There's a company that's primarily in the service business as well as some retail sales. You want to make sure that you're paying the proper taxes on that. And typically it's very, very simple. The tax form comes from the state of that you're in, and it will say put your dollars of sales in your service, which would be massage therapy, for example, your dollars in sales of retail, and you'll multiply that by two different numbers and have a total, and you'll pay your taxes. I still have a CPA do that for me because they catch things sometimes that I wouldn't have noticed. They go through and they cull through my database in my QuickBooks, and they make sure there's no errors in there, and they also fix things. So, but you'll be paying your state taxes, but you're also going to be paying your IRS taxes from a standpoint of your personal income each year. You'll be paying taxes for your employees and any monies that you take out of their checks. You'll be paying those to the government as well. You'll be paying both halves for yourself of your self-employment tax, which is Social Security. For your employees, you'll be paying that half and also giving the government the half that you took out of their checks. You'll be paying other additional taxes such as workers' comp when someone gets injured in a job. You'll be paying for an unemployment type taxes or employment security, for example. Your counties are going to be charging you taxes on stuff you have and stuff you own. So if you have a computer or a refrigerator, they'll be asking you, what did you pay for those? When did you buy it? They'll be depreciating the value of that each year. And it's not very much, but they will charge you based on stuff you own. I'm not going to get into the politics of that, but they just want to charge you on your property. And so obviously you don't own your building that you're in, but you do own the stuff that's in the building, and that's what you'll be responsible for. In addition to your state taxes, the cities also sometimes have an additional operations tax that they want. It's obviously much smaller typically than the state taxes, but they want their share as well. So in our state, in Washington State, we have a B&O tax or business and operations tax. Part of that money goes to the cities, but in some cities they want even more. So your city will send you a form once you have your business license. They will not forget you, and you'll receive your quarterly, typically forms for you to fill out and write that check in. I appreciate the opportunity to pay quarterly versus once a year so it doesn't catch you off guard and have a higher amount due. So just double check with that. If they do say they want annual, make sure you save up for that and figure out that what your tax bill is going to be.